Make deep fried chicken anymore. Now I just fry it in boiling water. For those who enjoy fried chicken at home but avoid using oil, this tip is for you. Here I have about 850 grams of chicken thighs, and we're going to put it all in the boiling water. We are going to cover it and let it cook for 3 minutes. After time, let's season. We add a teaspoon of salt. The same amount of smoked paprika. Black pepper, and the same amount of turmeric. You can season with whatever you want. Now let's mix everything carefully. We cover it again and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, look how the water looks, and it is exactly what we need. Now we add 3 cloves of minced garlic. We're also going to add Worcestershire sauce, 3 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. And let's mix again. And as you can see, we didn't add a single drop of oil here. What does the frying work here is the fat from the chickens. And look how wonderful it is turning out. This chicken will be incredibly juicy. See how well it fries? That's the fat in the chickens. Now we didn't add a single drop of oil here. What does the frying work here is the fat from the chickens. And look how wonderful it is turning out. This chicken will be incredibly juicy. See how well it fries? That's the fat in the chickens. Now keep stirring to give the chicken a nice golden brown color. Tell me if this doesn't look very good. After browning a little, you can serve it, and look how delicious it is. It's incredibly juicy, much healthier than frying oil, and it doesn't end up looking pale and bland. Really surprising. That was today's tip. I hope you like it and try this at home. I'm sure you'll love the result. Stay with God.